I got another one for you. Now imagine having a tool that turns your creative ideas into stunning visuals without the hassle of complicated software. Picture this. You upload a product photo and within seconds it transforms into a professional eye-catching image. Do you need social media content? Done. Want to give your online store a major upgrade with better images? Done. It's like having a personal design team on standby helping you create polished, high quality visuals that stand out all in record time. The secret? Stay tuned to find out. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! This platform not only speeds up your workflow, but elevates the quality of everything you visually created, from enhancing product images to generating stunning social media still content. You have the power to turn basic photos into something extraordinary. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator like myself, or just someone who wants their image to shine, this tool makes it effortless. It's a total game changer for anyone looking to step up their visual content. So what's behind all of this? Meet X Design, your AI-powered design studio. X Design is so good that in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different side hustles that you can do to make some side money using this AI-powered design studio. The first side hustle is using it as a print-on-demand design service. Now, I've talked about Printify in the past as a wonderful POD service provider who, after setting up, does the hard work for you. Using X Design and Printify can be a cheat code for success. All right, so now I'm on the website of X Design. Look at all the different templates. Oh, I love this camera. I love this design. I'm gonna say stay focused. Look at this. And I'm going to get stay focused with the lens and the camera. And I'm going to warp the text so it could just be around the design. I'm going to change the font size just a tad. And then I'm going to change the background, the color of the letters. I don't really like the yellow. No, that doesn't fit. I'll try white. Yes. I love it. It gives a clean line, clean finish. Now I need to center it. Okay, I love this design. These templates are very helpful. Okay, so I'm going to use this design now, once it's centered, and I'm going to put it on my merch. I'm going to download it. The format is a PNG. The purpose is for commercial because I put it on merch that I'm going to sell. And once it's downloaded, it was downloaded successfully, and I don't have to worry about copyright risk. There you go. So now I can put it on merch and sell it. I love this. So now I'm going to upload it to Printify, my store. I have a store on Printify, and I'm going to put it on some merch. I think I'm going to put it on a coffee mug. Let's see. There's a gold coffee mug. You know how I feel about the golds. I love gold. So I'm going to put it on a metallic mug. The same design from X Design. I'm uploading it. Now I'm going to put it on as a pattern so it can be wrapped around the entire mug. So you have to put it in as a pattern, so that way it's on both sides of the mug. Yes, so now let's see. Okay, yes, I came out. I took out the background, gave it a cleaner look. Yes, let's see the mock-up pictures. Oh my goodness, this makes a great gift. You know I'm definitely selling this, especially for the holidays. Someone that might need to be motivated or a photographer. This is fabulous. This is like the motivational mug. I love this. Stay focused. I love this. So now I'm downloading the coffee mug, the motivational mug. Stay focused. I picked the left side of the mug because it really shows the camera, the pic, the best. And now I download it to my laptop and I'm uploading to the AI background generator on X Design. I want to see what kind of backgrounds they'll give me because I really want to sell this coffee mug. I really want to sell this mug. And I'm going to pick a background. Okay, let's see. All right. if you have a background, please make sure you take out any background before you add a new background. All right, let's see. This mock-up background is going to be so I can sell it on my store on Printify. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love the contrast. And by the way, if you use the background, AI background generator, it uses 8 credits. Okay, so I'm just letting you know that as well. And it gives you 4 different versions. I love that. I love the contrast of those 2 colors. Look at this one. This might be my favorite. With the sun shining in the background with the fruits. I love that. I'm thinking of a fresh cup of tea in the morning. Yes, or a cup of coffee. I love that. Yeah, I think this is the one. The second side hustle is using XDesign to significantly enhance real estate photos, making properties more attractive to potential buyers. Okay, so I found this fabulous Center Hall Colonial. Look at this house for sale. This is fabulous looking. And I picked this picture from this home they're selling. And I said, I can do some things with this. I want to try some tools from XDesign. So I uploaded the image. Let's see. Now we're going to see the different tools. I think this is great for realtors or designers. We're going to do the image enhancer, okay, to this picture I just uploaded. And let's see what we can do with it. Okay, I'm zooming in. I am zooming in. And let's try to enhance this picture. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Did you see the ultra high definition? Look at it. Look again. Look at this chair. Watch when I go across. Oh my goodness. Everything's like clearer. You can do this on any pictures. Oh my goodness. Let's try the object remover. Now, I thought this was like excellent to do. Like, use this tool for this house, especially if you're a realtor or photographer or designer. I'm going to remove this basket because I just want to give this living room a cleaner look. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Oh my goodness, it was removed. It's going now with this one. Because I want to give this like an obstruction in front of the fireplace. Let's see if I can move this. If I can remove this, this living room will be finished. Let's see. Oh, now you can like walk across the fireplace. You see how beautiful that was? Oh, I love this. This is my favorite tools from XDesign. Now, photo editor. You could change the lighting in the living room, in the picture. Look at this. Okay, you can compare before. Did you see the difference? I love this. Oh, I'm going to be using this a lot. The third side hustle is creating engaging social media content. Thanks to its AI-powered templates and editing features, with just a few clicks, you can design eye-catching posts, stories, and ads for platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so now I'm going to make a social media post. So I'm going to upload the picture I took of myself earlier today. And now I'm going to put it in portrait mode because I'm a person. If it's a product, you use product. But a pet and person, you use portrait. Okay, it's going to apply. I have to pay 1 credit. And now it's in HD, so it's going to give a fabulous look. My background was removed. And I think that's a pretty good picture there. All right, so now I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to look for a beautiful background. They have a lot of nice backgrounds, by the way. I like this green. It has like texture to it. Gives it some texture behind me. And I have to enlarge me. There you go. Can you see it already when I'm going? I'm trying to enhance. I need all the enhancing that I can get. I'm going to use the comic type of wording. Look at this. This is already looking like a thumbnail. Okay, I'm excited. You get it? For XDesign. Come on, it's so cute. Now I have to enlarge it. I love the colors. I can use this for all my social media posts. And I can also use this as a thumbnail. It came out fabulous. All right. Thank you, XDesign. I love the tools. The fourth side hustle is offering professional product photography editing services to e-commerce businesses. I took a picture of this mug, my Inside Your Hustle mug, and I uploaded it. And I made an awesome flyer for it. I'm going to show you how. Okay, I'm on the templates. I'm on the website looking at the different templates. Now I have to make a promotional sales from it. Look at this. I'm going to use this template right here. Bamboo hairbrush. Okay, you can eliminate that part. I love the color scheme. So what I'm going to do from the coffee mug that I uploaded, I am going to change out some of the colors. First of all, I have to make the background a little, I'm going to take the whole background out. I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. Look how I'm resizing it. Oh my goodness, I can already envision this. Great tools. I love the tools they have. Now, you see how I made it tighter? Yes, and the background is gone. And now I'm sizing it right into the template and I'm changing it to Hustle Mug. The Hustle Mug, yes. Okay, so I love how it pops from the colors. So this was a perfect template and it's perfect for future, current, and future bosses. Look at that. And I'm going to definitely change that price to $15. And it's not going to be for Black Friday. It's only $15. It's for every day. And I'm going to put this on Facebook, Instagram. So now I can promote my mug, the Hustle Mug. Oh, what a fabulous template. Oh, yes. I love the colors. It came out nice. You know what? I'm not going to leave you without a bonus. A bonus business idea can be making or redesigning logos. X-Design can be used for creating custom logos with ease. Okay, I am on the website. Check this out. I'm going to make a logo. So, first of all, I love those colors I picked from the templates. But now I'm going to elements and I'm going to take a basic shape. I'm going to do the triangle shape and put it in the corners to give it like a border. And I'm going to duplicate it on the other side. Yes. And now I'm going to change the triangle color to another color. Look at all the different colors they have available, all the different tools and shapes from the elements. So now we have the borders. Look at all the beautiful images that you can use for your logo. But they have a lot to choose from. I'm definitely going to go to the text and I see one. Look all the different texts they have available. I see one right here. I see the loop. I'm going to throw the loop on. Look at that. It's loading up. Fabulous. I'm going to take out limited offer and I'm going to put Inside Your Hustle on it. And now I'm going to center it. I love this. This looks like it's 3D. It's giving that effect to it. So we have to center it. And now I'm going to put Inside Your Hustle inside of it. Make it a little larger. Have it like pop like it's coming through the hoop. I love that. And I love this. Came out nice. All the colors, the pastels. I'm going to change the S. And I'm going to change the S to our $sign that we always have on Hustle on our logo. So we give that S $sign and now we have Inside Your Hustle. I hope you enjoyed those side hustles. If you like X-Design as much as I do, let's check out their pricing. Okay, here's the different plans. They have the Pro plan, the yearly for $99.99, and then they got the free plan, basic design features, and they have filters, text, and stickers. Okay, that's the free plan. If you can't do the yearly, you could do the monthly. The Pro plan for the monthly is $12.99. Come on, that's reasonable. All right, so with the Pro plan, okay, they have the AI background remover. I definitely use that. That was so important to use. That is definitely a must for me. The AI background generator, yes. Object remover, the different templates. They had endless templates. The commercial license was so important, especially if you're selling merch and you're using the photos for merch, and the removal of the watermark. I'm not going to want a watermark on my pics, on my designs. No, I definitely would use the Pro plan. And for that price, If you even go out once a week to eat or drink coffee, you already covered that pro plan. This is a no-brainer. This is a automatic no-brainer. What a great price. And if you need credits and you run out of credits, you could buy those separately. I love that. Look at that. And background removal. You could buy credits for that. I will definitely be using a lot of the removal, especially when I do my thumbnails and my other images for my merch. Okay, I love their tools, and they definitely work. So I'm thrilled to announce that I will be giving away 5 free 1-month VIP subscriptions to this incredible design platform. After seeing all the ways X Design can help you create content and even make money, this is a massive opportunity to level up your hustle. All you need to do is sign up for the free X Design account, grab your ID code, and paste it in the comments down below. I will randomly select 5 lucky winners to receive a free 1-month account subscription. Don't miss out on this chance to unlock your creative and financial potential. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try hustling with X Design. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.